Hey, it's Chelsea here at Messermeister Gather Kitchen to bring you happy hour. We were thinking like a cocktail with tequila to start the weekend off right. Does that sound good for you? Let's do it. Just joking. I was trying to do something different, but let's stick to the regular script. I'm Chelsea here at Messermeister Gather Kitchen to bring you a cocktail, a strong cocktail. It has Anejo Tequila. We're bringing you a salted chocolate old fashioned, 2 ounces. Creme de Cacao, ½ ounce. That's a chocolate lovin' right there. Orange bitters. Little 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, sure. Chocolate bitters. 4 dashes. 1, 2, 3, 4. A pinch of salt. A serious stir. So I'm gonna sit here and stir it. Oh yes, that's so exciting, so exciting. A dehydrated orange wheel. Another ice cube. Our piece of chocolate. Let's add another little bit of salt. Salted chocolate old fashioned. Oh damn, that's nice. Cheers.